Hey guys, today I want to share with you just these concepts. These are the foundation for statistics. So let's get right into it. I have all markers here. Where's the eraser? It is here as well. And let's go for the first one. The first one and most important for statistics is probability. What is probability according to you? Well, the probability is the measure, the numerical numbers that represent that the likelihood of an event, if it is likely to happen. That's probability. The numerical representation of an event is probability to happen. That's the first one. Now let's go through outcome. What is an outcome? The outcome is the result of an event. It's just a single. The single is the result of a single event. That's all it is. Let's go another simple event. What is an event? An event is a subset of the sample space. What is a sample space? The sample space is all the results that we get from an experiment. And what is an experiment? An experiment is a process where you and test compare the results of, well, here we test a phenomena and we formulate a hypothesis. That's the experiment. And these two, let's leave it until the end. So from an experiment, we do it is a process where we the test the a phenomenon and we formulate a hypothesis. The sample space is let's say that we have a coin. A coin. I'm not good at drawing. I'm not good at drawing. So let's increase the edge so you may see it even better. And a sample space is the possible results. The possible results of a coin is just heads and tails. That's all it is. Heads and tails. That's all you can get from. Unless you use other color to make colorful this example. Now it's better. And so this is a simple space. All the results from an event, from an event. You can say event. No, from an experiment. From an experiment. This is an experiment. We get heads and tails. That's the sample space. An event is just the a subset of the space, the sample space. A subset of the sample space. Let's imagine that we have a dice. We imagine we have a dice. So the we have let's break this down into two. We have add numbers, add numbers, and even numbers. Add numbers, and the other subset will be even numbers. So this is an event. The subset of the sample space. What is the sample space? A dice, throwing a dice, and the outcome is just one event, one possible one solution or one outcome. It is outcome. You cannot use another term. It's outcome. The result of throwing a dice produce an outcome, and that is called outcome because it produces something. One single result. One single result. It could be three, four, one. or it could be head, or it could be tail. That's an outcome. Now, the probability is the likelihood of these two events to happen. Yes, for getting heads, for getting fives, for getting ones. Now, mutually exclusive, what it means? Mutual, it means that the two of them are the same, or they share the result. That's mutual. Now, exclusive, excluding something. When, for example, let's say if the event of tossing a coin that cancel out the probability. Let's imagine that we have a tail. Let's imagine we have a tail. You get a tail from that action with tossing a coin. We get a tail, so that cancel out a head because you have that result. You already have that result. That event cancel out. That's exclusive. The heads. Now, with independent events are those that don't cancel out the other event. So, tossing a coin and throwing a die. If you toss a coin and throw a die, that does not cancel out the results. You may have tails, you may have odd numbers, or even numbers, or you may have both occurring at the same time. So those are the topics I just want to share with you. If you find this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe to the channel. It's not too much to ask if I'm not bothering you so much. And I'll see you next time.